horse and panda in my backyard. Just kidding, it's my front yard. Look at this new fidget spinner. Look at this. Look at this. I'm with its press. It's warping.
Go subscribe to my channel.
Link will be in the description. Enjoy the video. Bye.
And go through the park because there's cops. And they're like arresting someone that we hate.
Oh, no, we don't. We love them. So yeah.
We really don't want
You probably can't see him, so I don't want to get seized or anything. So we're gonna go for a long way. So bye. Preston, make a wish. No, Preston! Oh my gosh, Preston. Preston. It's not healthy for you. You can't eat your nutritions.
So that's disgusting.
You got Preston. Let's go.
Trick shot. Look, he's sitting on the corner. Next trick shot. How do you feel about this, Carson?
Oh my god, I did it. I did it. I did it. It's spinning too.
How do you feel about this, Carson?
Accomplished. Yes. Yes.
Dang it, I messed up. Poop nuggets.
Wait. Okay. Ready when you are, baby.
Yay.
Here, let me try.
Let me try.
You suck.
Come on. I'll get it this time, probably. Don't worry, it takes a while.
No, here, I've been doing it. No,
Okay, go.
Illuminati confirmed. That we do it too. Ready?
Yeah. It does.
Here, you do it now. Don't end it. Wait, spin it harder. Here.
Ready? Right now.
Spin it like I spin it with your middle finger. Now show it to the camera. It doesn't work on yours. Yeah. Wait, let me zoom in. Okay, go again.
Ready?
Wait for it. Do it again.
Come on, ready?
You had it, but okay.
Ready? Is it working?
Wait, it's about to spin backwards. Whoa! Dang it. Do it on this.
Heck up.
Whoa, you want to see this video, Preston.
Come on, ready?
It was doing the same thing as yours did on mine.
It's hard. It's supposed to be. Ready?
Say wow.
Wow. That was me.
Here, spin it again. Spin it fast. No, so. Spin it fast.
I did.
And on your hand, though. No. Wait. Whoa. So much different. Oh my gosh.
Whoa, looks so cool.
Let's spin it again.
Whoa.
You ready? Here.
Whoa. Whoa. Yo.
YOLO.
Yo.
It's a good day to golf. Nothing else. Oh yeah. It's also a good day to play with your fidget spinners. Wait, how about Preston? Preston, hold this. Let's do mine. Let's do mine. Ready? It's my mom.
Nice. Well, it's like spinning backwards now.
Isn't that so cool?
Whoa! Yellow.
Yellow.
It's like warping.
Whoa! It's another warping one. We have a lot of warping fidgets. They're Hello, darkness fidget spinner. I want to spin you again. Hello, darkness, my old friend. Fidget spinners are the best!
Oh,
I thought. Fidget spinner, dual maestro, and warping. Wait, spin it hard again.
okay.
Nice. Warping.
Fidget
Spin
spinner!
it again. Spin it again.
Beautiful.
Whoa. Okay. I'm Carson.
I'm Preston, also known as It's Preston. He'll put my link in the description.
And what's up, Peanut Army? So today we are doing some fidget
we made
spinner.
that cringy on purpose.
We're gonna do some fidget spinner trick shots. So
Look how trippy this is. You guys are tripped out. Look, it's like spinning backwards. Ready?
Whoa! Look at that. It's doing it. It's better when we're doing sunlight. Let me show you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed that video. If you want more fidget spinner videos, I'll make some. I mean, it's not hard, really. It's just complicated. I mean, also, I'm making another remix video of, like, I can't say, but Preston knows, but, wait, he doesn't know, I'll tell him. Well, yeah, bye. See you guys in the next video.
It's one of my videos.